Hey guys, my website is finally live at physiohub.com. You'll be able to book appointments for assessments and massages. The first appointment you'll get 10% off. I've also linked my YouTube channel to the site. Please make sure to send this to all your friends and family. Thank you very much. Hi guys, my name is Lunge. I'm a sports therapist and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, new setup, not really more space, just to accommodate these new videos I'm planning on doing, such as the stretches. And following up my last video, the stretch series, I'm going to be doing stretches around the hip and knee area. And that's a place where a lot of muscles get tight due to people sitting down all day on the computer and everything, or driving to work and everything. So I'm going to be focused around those areas. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends and family, and let's get to the video. Now for this video, like I said before, we're going to be focused on the hip and knee area. So tackling muscles such as your quads, hamstrings, glutes, your groin area, just making sure that these are properly loosened up. So the benefit of doing these stretches can allow to prevent pain such as lower back pain, but also prevent other injuries such as runner's knees, if we're people who go out jogging, jumpers' knees. So those type of injuries we're looking to prevent. Alright, so for this video, it's going to require minimal equipment. Literally all you need is a towel, and we're going to use a towel for a hamstring stretch. Apart from that, I'm going to focus on making sure that every video I make is equipment that you guys have available at home, or it's very easy to get, maybe like a foam roller, resistance band, but majority of the time, home stuff. Alright, so for the first exercise, I'm going to show you guys leg swings. Like, all you're going to need is literally like a wall to keep you stable. All you're going to do is go forward and back, as far forward as possible, and back as possible, and side to side. We're first going to go forwards. So, start from now, on your right leg, just go forward and back. And this is really going to allow to really get your hip mobile, get the joint moving so it's less stiff. So it's going to allow for your muscles to move a lot better as well. Now we're going side to side. Damn. Okay, it's hard. And after this, we're going to switch to the left leg, front and back. Make sure to get good control breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. And you're gonna feel yourself getting a lot more loose as you do this. And now we're gonna switch going left to right. This is the last one for the left leg. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. And that's a good way to just start off the stretches we're about to go into next. So next up, we're gonna go down on the floor and we're gonna do knee to chest. Alright, so for knee to chest, we're going to just get down on the ground, bring a knee to your chest, and we're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. So while you're doing it, make sure you put in as much as possible and just really try and get that stretch, but also keeping yourself balanced and relaxed on the floor and a good regular breathing. So we're gonna go now. So hold it to your chest. You're gonna feel quite a lot of tightness around your hip flexors, around your hip. So that muscle's gonna get a bit quite tight, but it's gonna ease off a bit as you do this more often and doing the other stretches along with it. Remember to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Control breathing. There we go. 3, 2, 1. And now we're just gonna switch to the other knee. Bring it to your chest. Same process. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. We have 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Alright, so the next stretch I'm going to show you guys is what's going to be a hamstring stretch using a towel. So we're going to go down on the ground, legs straight. We're going to bring this back and bring our leg back. And we're going to put it up as much as possible as we can. Don't go too far. Just go to the bit where you feel a bit of tightness and you hold it there. Start from now. We're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Ooh. Make sure to keep your legs straight and go to where you can. Breathing really helps when it comes to doing these type of stretches. It might be a bit painful at first, but if you do this on a regular basis, it's gonna get a lot easier, I promise you. Alright, now we're gonna switch to the left hamstring. Go. Another 30 seconds. Make sure I keep my legs straight. Three, two, one. Oh, good. So the second stretch I'm going to show you guys, the next stretch I'm about to show you guys is for the hip flexors, so I need to use a wall. And what you need to do is just place the hip flexor you want to stretch on the wall, knee up here, and you come up. So go to where you can. You're going to hold this for 30 seconds. So go a bit forward to make this stretch easier. Start from now. Just come up, breathe, and you're going to feel the stretch literally down right in the middle of your quad and hip and groin area, right here, and that's where your hip flexors are located. These get quite tight. And plus, with the benefit of this stretch, it's going to allow to relieve the tightness around your back, so it can help with lower back pain. Remember to breathe. This is actually one of my favorite stretches, especially if you have jumpers knees. This stretch is going to help you a lot. All right, now we're going to switch on to the other hip flexor. Oh. Make sure to keep your body upright so you can get the best amount of stretch possible. Keeping your body balanced, breathing controllably in a good controlled manner. And we have another 6 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I'm starting to feel a lot more loose now, actually, myself. Alright, so the next stretch we're going to do, we're going to go back on the floor and we're going to be stretching out our glutes. So you put one of your knees onto your other knee and you lay on your back and you bring your knee to your chest and you're going to feel a good stretch around your glutes. Plus, how often do you stretch your glutes? Never. So we're going to go starting from now, holding it for 30 seconds, make sure to lay back and control your breathing. And you should feel a stretch coming along your glutes. Ooh. Control it, and we have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Switch legs and pull. Oh, that's a big stretch. Yeah. And again, me myself, I'm getting more flexible with you guys as well because I'm creating this program, but I'm also learning a lot from it and working on my body too. I know, especially staying at home, we can all get tired and everything. So this is benefiting me too, guys. Alright, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's that. Next stretch we're going to perform is the Piriformis stretch. And all you're going to do is straighten out your legs, put one knee across, put your opposite elbow across, and then push. And you should feel a stretch around near your glutes, and that's in Piriformis. So we'll perform this stretch for 30 seconds from now. And again, the Piriformis is a muscle that's not stretched often, so it's going to be very good and beneficial for you guys. We have 7 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we switch sides. You'll literally feel it right across here. Again, these stretches aren't easy because it's not something we practice often, so it's very good to implement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. My hips are starting to feel a lot more better now. Alright, so next up we're gonna have another hip mobility exercise. So we're gonna use lunge forward. Don't make sure that your knees don't touch the ground. Right hand on the ground, and you rotate. And we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. So make sure you're gonna control your core and also your breathing. Start from now. Go. Again, this is a hard that requires your arms, your core to all contract and keep you stable. Let's get light to get that range at your hip. Five more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's gonna switch. Again, it's a hard one. Practically like yoga poses. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. You're gonna feel that one quite a lot, which is very good. Alright, so for the last stretch, I'm just gonna show you guys. All you're going to do is go on your knees, stretch your arms here, and perform this movement across, and you're gonna feel a stretch along your groin. So we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, start from now. Make sure to keep your core tight as well and keep it upright. And you're gonna feel a stretch along here, also around here too. We're gonna hold it for another 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Make sure to control your breathing. Got another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alright. And that is the stretches for the knee and hip, guys. Make sure to follow along. Try and do this probably 2 or 3, 4 times a week so you're gonna get more flexible, more mobile. You're gonna feel a lot better and less stiff at home while you're working, potentially preventing a lot of injuries such as lower back pain. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share it with all your friends and family, and have a lovely day.